Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix cannot restore backup. How can you fix that? First of all, open your settings and go inside the general and just check if your iPhone has proper storage, or you can say enough storage, because sometimes your iPhone storage also creates problem with backup. So just make sure it has few storage left. After that, you just need to go inside the software update, and inside the software update just check if your iPhone has any kind of updates. Make sure to update your software, because sometimes the software versions might create a problem for you and you will not be able to restore or backup. Now once you do that, the third thing that you need to do is just go inside your Apple account and just go inside the iCloud, and inside the iCloud make sure that you also turn this drive folder on, because this is very important that iCloud drive must be turned on to do the backup on iPhone. And once it is turned on, after that you may also make sure that your iCloud has enough storage, because if your iPhone does not have enough storage, that can create a problem for you. Otherwise you just need to remove some or delete some data, and the second option is you just need to upgrade to buy more storage. After that you will be able to hopefully back up or restore on your iPhone. So that's a simple and easy process of how you can do it.